Said.
Yes. Shut up, that's all I got.
Huh?
Welcome to me dying. That was loud. Welcome to me shooting these motherfuckers. And fuck. And first blood.
I'm going to take the last day between two guys.
I think you're watching like the last video I did. I remember clearly. But anyway, if you guys can actually hear me, squat them all the way down so you can hear me. Can you? I hope you can. Because fuck, I'm in the vagina. Yeah, suck it. Ooh, I'm gonna feel you for my cum. Oh shit. Call medic. Yeah. Double kill. One kill. Run for your life.
Should have bought a sniper.
The shotgun's better for me. I can't aim with a sniper. I can't aim with any gun. Yes. What? Oh. What? No.
Make it do it.
I don't know how to do it.
Huh?
I don't know how to do it.
You know how to make it.
Withy. Gonna do it again. Well, I died the first. I want to kill one. No, I'm going to die. No. I'm gonna leave this hellhole. Yeah. Bing. Bang bang. Pew. Pew pew. Plow. No. Run faster. That is sometimes very loud. Subscribe and hit the bell. I know one of my friends are watching this. They're already watching one of my videos. And they're already laughing at him. Yeah.
Oh, you found one sniper, didn't you?
Shut up. Sniper ain't that good compared to the shotgun. The shotgun for a win. Shotgun. Oh, what I have to collect. Yeah, run faster. Plow her right in the kisser. Oh, come on. Yes. And I keep getting gangbanged. No. I don't know how to do that. I don't have that kind of recording. Yes. Today. Gonna make it about as long as my other ones. Shut your fucking mouth.
You're crazy.
Shut up, Chris.
Shut up. Dylan's gay.
And one of my friends, his name is Little Bud Chris.
I got bigger record than you, Dylan.
Oh, you don't?
It's not what your girlfriend said.
What girlfriend?
Yeah, so you're lonely.
That long I could buy a hooker.
Dylan.
What?
I mean, Doug.
I'm
like Dylan.
No, I'll murder him. And I'll murder you too.
What do you say?
I said I'll murder myself before I date a man. Might as well cut off shit out the rainbows. It's a unicorn. Just gonna shoot out the rainbows and let you fly. If only if I can edit, I'll put a unicorn with a rainbow going out of his ass.
Why is it just like recording?
Recording first.
Body podcast it.
It's funny, yeah, all the things I say. And I only won once, and that was when it was on a very novice. So I have not even. Oh, I got a snipe shot. Get the zombie apocalypse. Everyone get in a line. I don't have enough bullets to spare. Well, I do, but I don't think any of you are worth for one shot. Oh no. Yeah. Oh God, one just spawned on my ass.
Oh, Dylan, I don't know how you find.
Really spawned straight up my ass, that zombie. What? Oh, I don't know. I don't know what kind of zombie it was. I land. This game's more run. And it ain't multiplayer. It's one person. Fights it all. Finding stuff.
What?
If you hear my little cousin in it at one point, in one game I played. I don't know. Oh, why you douche? I'm gonna upload it.